Welcome to FX Efficient Excel, and we have a video today on how to use pivot tables to quickly generate average rates per month for a year. Now, perhaps I am an auditor and I'm trying to test the reasonableness of clients' rates. They use an average USD to South African Rand rate per month, and I need to test the reasonableness of that rate. I've got some external data from some kind of independent source, and I'm going to show you a really quick way of how to get those averages per month for the entire year. Pivot tables are really the ideal tool to use, so we can actually sit in any cell in this data range and go to Insert to Pivot Table and Pivot Table, or use the keyboard shortcut Alt N, then V, then T. Now, as you can see, Excel correctly guesses our range of data. We're going to include the pivot table on a new worksheet, and let's click OK. So we've got the date and we've got the rate. We're going to drag the date into the row labels, and we're going to drag the rate into the values. Now, at the moment, it's summing up the values, but on each specific date. What we want to do is first group the dates into months. So I'm going to click here on Group Field, and because Excel is viewing this information as a date, we can actually click to Group as Date, and even if we had more than 1 year, we could select years in addition to the months, not in place of. So months is what I'm looking for. It's starting at the 1st of the 1st, 2011, and ending the next year. So that's perfect. And as you can see, it groups it perfectly into the months of the year. But the problem is now it's adding up every single rate. What we need to do is change this to summarize the value, not by sum, but rather by average. And there we go, we have the average rate per month. I'm going to just format that to show only 2 decimal places. And we would then compare this information to that of our clients to determine the reasonableness of that data. That's a very quick way on how to get your information from a full list such as this one over here, using pivot tables, very quickly summarizing data instead of using many more complex formulae. Thanks for watching. You can visit our website at www.fx.co.za, and please contact us for any Excel training or consulting needs. See you next video.